If you have hidden apps on your Samsung Galaxy A17, here's what you can do in order to try to find them and access them. So the first thing that you can do is go to settings. Over here in settings, if you scroll down, you should be able to find apps option. And over here, of course, you should be able to find all hidden apps. So even though an app might be hidden, it is not hidden in this menu. And we can find it somewhere over here. So in my case, I have the speed test app hidden, so I can open it here to go to the app info. And then as you can see in the bottom left corner, we have open button. So we can tap on it in order to open the hidden app. Besides that, if we have hidden app, there is a chance that it is still running in background apps. So you can open the background apps, and if it's still running, then of course you can just open it without any issues. Another way to open a hidden app is to go to the Play Store, and you can simply search for the app. So in my case, I'm gonna use speed test text over here. And as you can see, I have this app installed because I can open it. There we go. And of course, last but not least, you can just simply remove the app from the hidden section, unhide it. So you can go to settings and open a home screen. And over here we can go to hide apps on home and app screens, and of course we can just remove it from the list of hidden apps. Press down and go back to the app drawer, and there we go. We can just open it like this. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.